Okay, welcome back with me again, your Cap and your
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
your Cap and the only one, your Cap. It is Yagung Bayu Mahendra from 5B, and now I want to tell of you several important things about working in a group by using Jigsaw Strategy. This strategy involves students becoming expert on one aspect of a topic, then sharing that expertise with others. Divide the topic into a few constitutive parts and form subgroups, 3 until 5 students, and assign each subgroup a different piece of the topic. Each group's task is to develop expertise on its particular subtopic by brainstorming, developing ideas, and if time permits, you can use researching. One student becoming expert on a particular subtopic. Shuffle the group so that the member of each new group have a different area of expertise. Students then take turns sharing their expertise with the other group's member, thereby creating a complete puzzle of knowledge of the main. A convenient way to assign different areas of expertise is to distribute the handout of different colors. For the first stage of the group work, groups are composed of the student with the same color of the handout, and for the second stage, each member of the newly formed group must have a different color of the handout. And then, reading comprehension is one of the many material that you use as the teacher. You can use in working with group using strategy of Jigsaw. This method is appropriate for junior or senior high school, but now I want to explain you working in a group by using Jigsaw in junior high school, especially at 9th grade. As a form of cooperative learning, the Jigsaw method is a teaching strategy that helps students to develop skills for working effective in team. An important competency for socio-environment synthesis. As we know, cooperative learning is a successful teaching strategy in which a small team, each with students of different level of ability, use a variety of learning activities to improve their understanding of a subject. Each member of a team is responsible not only for learning what is taught, but also for helping teammates learn, thus creating an atmosphere of achievement. And then I have the example of the material or the learning process in the class for 9th grade by using Jigsaw strategy, and I have several steps when the teacher using Jigsaw strategy, and the material is about reading comprehension. That is my example about the lesson plan if you use Jigsaw in 9th grade in junior high school. And now I want to tell you about advantages and disadvantages by using Jigsaw strategy in class. The first, I want want to tell all of you, or I want to explain you the advantages of the jigsaw. The advantages of this method would be that each child has a part in the group. Each student is necessary to the success of the entire group. This is what makes students want to learn because they feel needed. It also allows its student to learn more the whole class, can research different different topic, and they can all come back to share their research. That is the advantages of jigsaw, and let's we move to the disadvantages of using jigsaw strategy. The disadvantages are that some students don't want to participate no matter if they are essential to the group or not. I could see some students in the group researching their portion of the topic. That is my experience when the teacher used jigsaw strategy in my class. And then the other student in the group goofing off and not doing anything or any work. But overall, I think jigsaw method would work well for the student to learn a lot in a short amount of time. And then, okay, that's all about my briefly explanation about jigsaw strategy, or you can say working in a group by using jigsaw strategy. I hope after you watching this video or you watching my channel, watching me, your captain, I hope you can get positive vibes, and can in the future you can be a good professional teacher for your students, and especially for your children in your family. Okay, that's all about my briefly explanation. And the last word, I want to say thank you.